Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a playlist in Rekordbox. Firstly, click the plus button in the playlist section. Name your playlist like Electro House or wherever name you want. Select songs by holding the command on Mac or Control by Windows. Key and click in the desired tracks so you can add them to your newly created playlist. Drag the selected songs to your new playlist. You can create folders for better organization, for example by year or by month. Songs can exist in multiple playlists, allowing you for flexible in organization. For more details, you can check out the Rekordbox tutorial series. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Now you can manage and create a playlist on Rekordbox. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.